The EE Research Festival is a wonderful opportunity for us to not just showcase the great work that happens here, but also a chance for us to celebrate the results of the hard work that our students and colleagues do. It's also a chance for us to connect to our outside world, particularly colleagues in industry, to see where we can take what is being done here, but also how to do what we're doing here better.
The EE Festival is very good for the students to have interaction with each other, to talk about their research and share their ideas with each other.
And it could be either in state estimators and in PMU.
Under which this works. In the Gaussian mixture model, the favorable
The festival is a great opportunity because not only do you have people from a lot of the different subfields in electrical engineering coming to ask you questions, but that afterwards you can go look at their posters and see algorithms that are really popular in their field that they're using and figure out how you might be able to apply that to your own research.
We advertised the student seminar series hosted by the MHI scholars this year. So students want to talk about their research can come talk about it.
It gives our students, both PhDs, masters and undergraduate students, an opportunity to not only showcase their research, but also the opportunity to stand up and present in front of an audience, which is very helpful in the real-world experience. With the kind of attendance that we have here, people from industry and other academic institutions come here and they get a chance to see the kind of work that is being done at the Viterbi School. And I think it opens up tremendous amount of possibilities from the standpoint of possible collaborations and possible joint proposals.
Really great opportunity presenting at the festival, especially because this is the first year we've had undergrads present, which I think is great because I'm going to grad school myself, so it's nice to get some experience presenting to people and kind of demonstrating our work and getting a feel for what it's like to also do graduate work.
Really, if you look at what the graduate students and undergraduate students are demonstrating today, there is absolutely no doubt that what we have is one of the top departments in the country, and we've got some of the best minds and some of the best faculty conducting this research.
But the interesting thing about quantum computers is that for certain problems, it turns out that quantum computers can be exponentially faster. It seems that they can be exponentially faster than classical computers. So they give us radical improvements in computational power.
A couple of my students, and some of them are here, we worked on one paper, and it's only one research paper, for 3 years before it gets published. And it's kind of hard to see in the student's face the disappointment when you submit the paper again and again and again and it gets rejected again and again and again. But again, it's one of those things where you believe in it deeply, that you think it's a top topic, you just work on it, you just focus on it, and eventually it gets the attention it requires, it deserves.
It has been a great success, and I have been involved with it for the last 3 years, and I have seen the quality of the work being presented continuously improve. And also the attendance has been increasing significantly. This year we have close to 315 participants, nearly 100 presenters of various kinds. And the quality of the presentation and the quality of the work has been significantly improving.
It's a great indication of the richness of work that is done here at the Ming Hsieh Department of Electrical Engineering. It's a wonderful thing to give and wonderful to create and propagate and develop a culture of scholarship and research that puts the electrical engineering department at a higher level. I am very, very pleased and happy to be associated with that.
I'm hoping that this yearly event will become a part of our culture at the EE Ming Hsieh department, but also as a part of our USC Viterbi school.